We generated over $961,000 and close to 4,000 new customers with this exact Facebook ad setup. So if you're interested in it, I'm going to show you how to do that today, step by step. So right now we're inside of the Facebook Ads Manager, and the first thing we're going to do is hit this green create button. Then we're going to go to sales. Anytime you're trying to drive traffic to your website and get people to buy something, you want to go with a sales objective campaign. Then we're going to go manual sales campaign, continue. Then we're going to scroll down. I typically deselect catalog. I'm not running catalog ads. Everything that I'm ignoring, you can ignore. So Advantage Plus, A/B test. I'm going to ignore all that. Click next. Then if you have your shop connected, you can go website and shop. If not, you just go website. But for the example, we're going to go website and shop because the results that I showed you had both. Then select your pixel. Your pixel should be installed. For this one, I'm going to go with this. So you name your pixel what you name your pixel. Now your conversion event is going to be purchase. This is very important. This is basically you telling Facebook, hey, show my ads to people that are likely to buy. They have exhibited buyer behavior on Facebook. Now for your budget, you can start with as little as $5 per day. Just keep in mind, when you start with smaller budgets, you can only reach a certain amount of people per day with small budgets. So that means you're going to see results a little bit slower. But it's good to start slow just until you start seeing results. Then you can slowly start scaling your budget up. Start date, leave that as is, everything as is. So now we're going to skip all of this. United States, for those of you in the United States. Now you don't have to do any targeting. You can use Advantage Plus Audience, and this is basically where Facebook goes out and kind of figures out who to show your ads to based on your audience, like on Instagram and on Facebook, based on the people that engage with you, based on the people that go to your website. So that's why it's important to have this pixel installed on your site, because Facebook already has an idea of the type of people that actually buys from your website. So when you use Advantage Plus Audience, it can get your ads in front of those people. And now placements, you're going to leave this as is. Advantage Plus placements just basically means that your ads will show on Facebook and Instagram. So let me show you. So if you select manual, you can see Facebook, Instagram. But if you know that, hey, my audience is not likely on Facebook, I don't get a lot of engagement or sales on Facebook, you can literally just deselect and show on Instagram, and vice versa. If like, hey, it doesn't work for me on Instagram, I don't know why it's not deselecting. But anyway, we're going to go with Advantage Plus placements for this. Then next. Then you would just select your Facebook page and your Instagram page. Then you would go manual upload, single image or video. Then you would add media. Then what I'm going to suggest is you test multiple different pieces of creatives. Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to go back. Select this dynamic creative. That way you can add all of your creatives to like one ad. I'll show you. So turn this on, continue, next. Okay, so then let's say we're going to go with videos. You just add, the content that's relevant to you. So since this is about hair, we'll just click all of these. And you can add up to 10. And basically Facebook will deploy these ads as they see fit, based on if it thinks it's likely to get a conversion. You see, you have all your ads here. It's going to be like literally in one ad, and it's going to pick and choose which one it wants to pick and choose based on time of day, the customer, whatever. Then your primary text, let's see. So you can use ChatGPT to come up with your primary text. Your primary text is like your caption. So if you're not that good at writing your own captions, just use ChatGPT. So you say, hey, I'm running a Facebook ad for my hair extension company. So you're just trying to give it a little bit of context, and you say, I'm currently offering, so whatever your current offer or special is, 3 bundles of extensions plus a frontal for only $300. Can you give me some compelling ad copy? Okay, so you have the opportunity to add 5 captions. So you can, let's see, grab this much, then go back and add that. Then add another text option. Then you can say, give me 4 more short variations. So I'll do one more. I'll copy one more just for an example. So upgrade your hair game. So here where it says shop now, insert link, you would manually insert your link if you like. If not, because your link will only show on Facebook. If not, you don't have to enter your link because you will put your link here. So hairextensions.com. So I'm just doing this as an example. Obviously put your own URL. Then your call to action is going to be shop now. So again, we have 2 ad copies now, and we can add up to 5. So you want to do the max, get all your captions or copy from ChatGPT. Same with headlines, you have the option to do 5 headlines, and these are just going to be your headlines are going to be relevant to your offer. So paste that here. So basically, you're just going to have 3 variations of like the 3 bundles plus frontal for only $300. And basically what you're doing is giving Facebook 5 headlines, 5 pieces of copy, and 10 ads. And it's just going to mix it up and deploy it or show it when it thinks it could get a conversion. Hopefully that makes sense. Then browser add-ons going to be none. Then if you have your shop connected, you're going to select your shop here. And you're going to select like the product that you're sending traffic to. And that's basically where they can check out on Facebook or on Instagram. Then once this is done, just make sure your pixel deal is green. You have this green dot, that means it's active. Then you want to hit publish. If you found this video helpful or useful, give me a thumbs up. Comment any questions you have. I'll reply to your questions in the next video. If you want my personalized help with setting up your ads, message me on Instagram at iGrowSalons. Thanks for watching.